So like literally, I don't care how the lighting looks right now, guys. I didn't want to pull out the GoPro just for a simple like 3-second video just to swap SD cards and do all that craziness. So what I'm actually doing here is going down and I've been noticing some really checkered and blocky bitrate marks whenever I shoot with the HX15, and that's because I've been shooting at 1080 at 60 frames per second. So what I'm going to go ahead and do today is shoot at 1080 and 30 frames per second with the onboard HD camera and see if that makes any difference in that blocky, checkered, motion blur kind of stuff. I feel like it shouldn't be doing that. Now maybe that's just the SD card I'm using, but I'm trying to track this issue down because honestly it's really annoying and I would like to solve it because it makes my video footage look super distorted and crappy. So if we can figure this out, I would like to. I'm over here at I've jumped to 3 different locations testing things to see what different lighting and what different areas would produce. So I've just basically, I only brought 3 batteries, but 1 battery per location. I've crashed a couple times here into some tree branches. I did one around my house, one around the neighborhood, over by the soccer fields, and now I'm over by the softball fields. So I'm gonna tear it up a little bit out here in a different environment. Oh man, come on, what a joke. They got it all closed off. This is so ridiculous. This is so ridiculous. All right, we'll take it to the front parking lot and see what that looks like. Anyways, with that being said, guys, I'm trying to test some different things and see what the camera produces best.
Sunbeams forming a shadow for a field. We're floating, just carried by levity, sensing a feeling of love through every wing. Delighted to fly on and look what future brings. Let us see if our ways will cross once again when we have lost each other. Yeah, then we will see if you come and fly with me. 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 Forward, slowly feeling the weight of gravity. Innocence, fall into their destiny. We keep on with this goal in our minds. Let's fly on, we'll meet at the edge of paradise. Let us see if our ways will cross once again when we have lost each other. Yeah, then we will see if you come and fly with me. 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 If you come and fly with me, flying along where we've started, part of me will not regret.
Go home, folks.